In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to add a pin on Roblox. Whether you're a parent wanting to protect your child's account or a player looking for an extra layer of security, adding a pin is crucial. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Roblox mobile app and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Settings. And then tap Parental Controls. So now, if you want to enable a pin on your Roblox account, simply toggle on this switch over here. Now you have to create a 4-digit PIN for your Roblox account. Tap over here and enter your 4-digit PIN, and then retype it to confirm your PIN. Once you've done that, tap Add. And then it will either ask for your Roblox account password or the 2-step verification code. Just enter that over here and tap Verify. And now you've successfully enabled PIN on your Roblox account, and you will need to enter this PIN before accessing the settings page in the future. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.